UltraClear Epoxy helped me expand my abilities in ways I didn't even know was possible. I built things such as river tables, paintings, surfboards, even small things like charcuterie boards. What really sets UltraClear apart from other epoxy products is its long-term durability. I've had all of my pieces last me so long and continues to last me so long just because of this product right here.
I'm Adam from Barnett Builds, and I want to tell you about my favorite epoxy to use, UltraClear Epoxy. I've been using it for years, and it's never let me down or given me any problems. Clear pores and flood coats are literally ultra clear. I love working with this stuff because it's so easy to work with. It doesn't stink like chemicals, zero VOCs, and it gives me a high quality finished product. From casting in molds, to lining trays, to deep pour river tables, UltraClear Epoxy is my go-to.
Deep pour epoxy to make some cutting boards, and then we use their top coat for the flood coat to give that mirror glass finish. Once again, thank you UltraClear Coat Epoxy for an excellent product. Thank you very much.